Welcome, this is Selena. Are you interested in learning a secret to life's journey? I thought you would. Believe it or not, the secret is revealed when you reflect. So let me ask you a couple of questions. Do you stop and reflect every day? Do you ask yourself, did I show up the best version of who I am? Or were there times during the day that you wished you had a do-over button? Well, here's the secret. You do. Learn about some of life's greatest gifts and secrets, then see the positive results after you apply them in your life. Reflecting gives us the opportunity to analyze our actions and beliefs. It allows us the opportunity to pause for just a moment. And the do-over part that I spoke of is that while reflecting, you can consider other possible interpretations of an event that happened and decide to give it a whole new meaning. The key learnings from the Reflect workshop are: gratitude is the secret ingredient, and there is true power that comes from vulnerability. Attend the workshop and begin your Thrive journey to developing inner peace, increasing positivity, and embracing your gifts while letting go of limiting beliefs. Every 5 to Thrive workshop connects the mind, body, and soul, and includes workshop material and summary document, a notebook journal, guided meditation, 10-minute chair massage, and a 30-minute private coaching session, all of which connects the mind, body, and soul. Don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind workshop series. Register today at our website. I look forward to seeing you real soon. Thank you for your time and your interest. And remember, thrive, mind, body, and soul.